I don't know, I'm just seeing some Mercy Eke in this Chichi girl. No, both of them share the same name. Mercy Eke, Igbo name is Chinenyenwa. This one is Chinenyenwa. All this Chinenyenwa. Fear them, fear them. This night, what Chichi did, if she doesn't get a strike, she literally broke Diana makeup. Say she flushed her eyelashes. She's going to break. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of being here, please consider subscribing to my channel. To subscribe, please check below, check below, check below. See the red subscription button below. Hit on the red subscription button below and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so do not forget to turn on the bell icon to get notifications each time I upload a new video. Big Brother Naija season 7 just started today. If you have been watching Big Brother, that was not it. This few hours that these people joined, they meshed them together. Basketballs, drama everywhere. Like, what actually happened today? Diana the quiet, according to Chomzi. So you know Diana is an English Paris woman, posh and
see, those lashes set for I don't touch them already. The next thing, the perfume, I'll open them, I'll pour them away. It is work. See, before
they do all this kind of thing. And me, I was like, Diana and Chichi, Chomzi and Chichi, are they not besties in this house? So if your bestie is having a problem, are you not supposed to side your bestie? Hey, what happens? Where will I even begin? Drama everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, I think I should start from the beginning. That's a good place. Okay, what happened for some of you that not watch, because this happened in the middle of the night and I'm reporting as the hot because I'm not asleep. Look at my eyes. I am following these people back to back, so I'm reporting to you now as the hot. Okay, what happened was that, you know, Big Brother meshed these two houses together. There's no longer levels. Everybody is the same now. So they just already been in that house. Let me not even call it the level again. It has already been in that house. I'm knowing that Chichi was coming and Chichi was busy. Share doing some pleasant trips, other people. She didn't come first to secure a space to keep her things, her personal belongings, like locker. So Diana has already come, picked up a space and next to Deji's locker. I know husband you not call them like that, husband and wife. They would like to stay together. Like if my local day, my husband won't go there, so that we could see ourselves. So that Diana locker come dey with Deji. Deji come back and say, Diana, I beg, can you help me with this your locker? I beg, give me. Deji, they carry the locker from Diana with the mind of giving it to Chichi. They cannot. Can put anything you want to put, just put it in my own locker. I know say it's a guy and I know what to get things like that, like women that has makeup, this, that they want to put inside a drawer. You can share with me. Diana herself, she's a good person. She now accepted and decided to share the locker and give the space she found. Oh, night Chichi come one Diana things for the locker. She did remove some things. Why are you sharing my man's space with me? You want to try collect my man? He said, no, I don't. Night Chichi change him. He said, you are a dog girl. You come from a dog. You won't come show me shake it. You know who I be? I be chinenye. Hey. Her perfume, scatter everything she put in there, that Deji locker, she will destroy it. And it's not like your own locker. It's not like your own locker. Shex is now coming to complain, say Deji collected that locker from Diana for you and you're fighting her. It was her locker originally. You can't change the matter. Say, oh, no, that one night they make an invest. Yesterday, she actually heard Doyin Allysyn and Doyin. They were talking. They even called Doyin Opolo Eye. I won't get Opolo Eye. They were talking. They called Deji. You don't even know. You don't even know what they talk about, a good thing or a bad thing. You say you were even high, so you didn't even know what they were talking. You were having a conversation with another person, so you just conclude that they are talking negative, and now you want to come and share.
Wait, before I've been like, oh please, they try to make me feel like, these people try to shadow ban me like, hey, Chichi, I think you're too hot, I think you're too, you need to calm down, I was not like that. These people were pressing me down, they don't let me shine. We don't get together. I think
Look, with somebody you're talking bad with. That was Chichi's point. That's why she not take her easy with Diana. I don't the man where they say you carrying out the rubbish.
You know how Chichi is when she's high.
it's not just when she's high.
In this thing, in prick before, the thing no stand, so you know they feed the babe. But you know, yeah, that one shall. But that's what they just said, that you know they feel the babe before. You couldn't do all this drama on top. If you can't go house like Beauty because of a man, I go bad, you go don't spoil your game with that. Take him easy. I don't see you won't create highlights, you won't form strong, fearless woman like that. Maybe Pacha, I don't know. But you have to calm down, because if you too carry yourself, you won't play the game, make they win, and that time go house fast. Just like Beauty, she was doing too like when they do too much. Feel like they shout, who they? People say she too they shout. If not shout to him, who they go back and go forward. I beg. Cash out her who they in peace. You know, hold anybody choke for neck. They just they shout for her mouth. You won't come over, I won't come find quietness. Oh more, you know, go see him. Go where you go look for a silent place. Let her shout her who they in peace. So long as you don't choke anybody for neck, it's all good. It's all good. And the drama today, this is premium entertainment. This is what we call premium. Deji, okay. Shex came to Chichi, she was like, okay, I know you don't know that this locker actually belonged to Diana. Diane. Deji took it from Diane for you. That one say, okay, and I tell Rachel, they are member won't consider here. I say, no, you cannot sit down here. We are having the conversation. If now leave, you say, oh yeah, leave now. Hey, drama everywhere. This is the content we sign up for. And this Chomzy and
My guy, that's it. So he allowed Diana put whatever she wants in his locker because he took her locker for you.
Why did she put it in?
Chichi that are best of friends. I don't know why Chomzy decided not to support Chichi, her bestie, today. She was just, I cannot support this girl. Diana, she's even blocking Fina from stopping Chichi to go. She was going to fight. Say, no, don't hold her. If you're holding her, she'll feel like she has power. Let her go and fight. She want to fight, she will fight. And I know she will not be able to fight because nobody won't go out. According to Chichi, she need 100 million. No, it's not.
Yesterday, the three of them. Excuse us.
No, I can't talk. If you're here, I'm going to leave. Leave. Okay, bye bye.
Excuse us,
I'll come
please.
back.
Didn't feel come more that one for her head. Can't pity Diana Sha. Without her clear skin, now Chichi look at feeling say bleached skin. Bleached skin. Say you queen of and Diana no fit speak English like that, you know. She know the race. She was not raised in an English speaking country like that. She no fit really speak this our normal English. When they struggle with the abuse, Chichi finish. Oh my God, I pity her. She cry.
This is my bed. Please, I'll talk to Shags. Shags, please, 1 minute.
Coming back.
Shags! Girl, excuse me now.
I'm on somebody's bed. I'm not on your bed.
Yeah, excuse
I can't lose my mind because of Big Brother. It's her language, I mean her accent. It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh my God. This show, Big Brother Nigeria season 7, she cry, she tired for the show. She say, Chichi, if you never see 100 million, me, I no be small picking, I don't see 100 million. I go do you something, I go slap you, go out. I know.
me.
I'm on somebody's bed. This is Hemi's bed. When Hemi's come, I'll leave.
If this is your first time on being, please consider subscribing to my channel. To subscribe, please check below. See the rest subscription button below. Hit on the subscription